Hello everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. So today we're going to have some fun with my video, okay? We're going to learn a forms choreography. So before I even discuss anything more, this is what we are going to learn today. Are you excited? If so, I'm excited. Let's get ready to do something different. We're going to have fun with this. If you're stuck at home doing nothing, like we are here in the UK, then find a space in your house, put this music on, learn the choreography. I'm going to be breaking it down step by step, okay? And you can follow along with me. I'm going to be doing it this way, and we're going to have some fun. And by the end of it, you're going to have a nice little choreographed workout that you can practice and have fun with, okay? Hope you enjoy it, guys. Let's get going. So, are we all excited to learn our form? We're going to start feet together, hands by our sides, standing nice and tall and proud. From here, we're going to go to our right side, okay, on the angle, on the 45-degree angle, with a chop punch, which is here, okay? So arm comes up to that shoulder, chop out, and reverse punch on a forward stance. So, here we go. To the right, and 1, 2, okay? From here, we're going to do exactly the same thing on the opposite side. So to our left, 1, so we strike, chop on that same stance we were already in, chop, and then we're going to switch stance and reverse punch at the same time, here, okay? So again, from the top, look towards our right, chop, punch, look, chop, punch, and switch stance. Good. From here, we're going to step our right leg forward to the front this time and reverse punch with our left hand. So here, okay? And then from there, everything switches together. Legs and arms, punch. Okay, so that's our opening sequence. So, standing tall, feet together. We're going to go to the right hand side with a chop punch. 1, 2. Look towards the left, same again. 1, 2. Now we're going to go to the front, punch, then switch punch. Punch, switch. Good. From here, so we've done our punch here. From there, we're going to do a front kick, skip front kick, punch, okay? So we're going to go here, punch. Good. Is everyone still with me? So that's the first half complete, okay? So let's go again. I'm going to reverse it this time so you can see from behind and follow along this way, okay? So from here, we're going to go to our right hand side, chop punch. To the left, 1, 2. To the front, punch, switch punch. Now from here, we're going to go front kick. Everyone got me? Good. Okay, so continuing on from here, we're going to turn to the back, okay? So from here, we're going to turn to the back. We're going to do a high block here, punch, okay? So from that punch here, all you do is step that back leg across so you can change stance. High block, punch, okay? Now, continuing on from here, you're going to step the right leg through just in front of the left, turning, continuing on with that circle to face the front, okay? We're going to step our right leg to meet our left. We're going to do a cross block up, arms come out down to the side. Okay? So, from the top, just so that you don't get too confused, we have from here, chop punch to the right, chop punch to the left, punch, switch punch to the front. We have our front kick, skip front punch, high block punch, then this is where we do our step. Step, step, here. Okay? Now your arms can be out down the side, in a fist or open hand, entirely up to you. From there, we're going to go axe kick down, round kick up, continue the rotation round, punch on your knee, then come up here, which is into like an L block. So this arm is protecting your head, this arm is coming down low. Okay? So again, we've turned around, we've gone here, here. You're then going to do our axe kick, round kick, turn, punch on your knee, come back up to your L block, punch down into like a chumbi, and finish. Okay? And then I'll do a demonstration of that the whole way again, facing you guys. So, just so you can see it from all angles. So from here, from the top, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, front kick, skip front kick, punch. We're going to the back, high block, punch, continue that rotation, step through, step feet together for that cross block. Now come down low, whether that be open hand or fists, entirely up to you. Do a small step, axe kick, round kick, turn, punch low, come up in that high L block, down, and we have finished our form. Good. I'm going to give one full demonstration now with some music. So get the energy lifting. I hope you enjoy it. Well, what did you think, guys? Did you enjoy that? I certainly enjoyed teaching it for you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed learning, okay? See what you thought. If this is something you'd like to see more of, comment below. If it's something you wouldn't like to see more of, let me know also. All the feedback is good feedback in my eyes. So thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!